How to use the Discus Dry Powder Inhaler. A dry powder inhaler is a breath-actuated device. It delivers the drug in the form of particles in a capsule or blister. These are usually round or rectangular in shape. How do you use it? Just inhale it directly. Inhale fast and hard. Remember, you need to inhale the powder. Are you using your dry powder inhaler correctly? Hi, I'm Dr. Chrislyn Panugayan. I'm a board-certified internist, pulmonologist, and sleep specialist. And here's your step-by-step guide on how to correctly use your Discus dry powder inhaler. Look at the dose counter at the side of the inhaler. Do not use it if it says 0. 0 means that the inhaler is empty and needs to be replaced. Hold the inhaler with one hand. Then, open the device by putting your thumb or your finger on the inhaler grip. Push your thumb or finger away from you until you hear a click. Once you see the mouthpiece, use again your thumb or finger to slide the lever. Push it away from the mouthpiece until you again hear a click. So we need to hear 2 clicks in total using 2 pushes. Prepare your body by sitting up or standing up straight. Exhale or breathe out all the way, away from the device to prepare your body for inhalation. Never breathe in the inhaler. Tilt your head back slightly. Put your mouthpiece into the mouth. Close your lips tightly. Breathe in quickly and deeply through your mouth. Remove the device from your mouth and hold your breath for 6 to 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly. Gargle with water and spit it out whenever the device contains steroids. Always store the inhaler in a cool, dry place. Always clean the inhaler by wiping the mouthpiece softly. If you have difficulty using your inhaler, you may ask your doctor for help. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.